YouTube. YouTube. Where's YouTube right now? Amber, where did I put YouTube? YouTube? God damn it, YouTube. Don't scare me like that ever again. Today's vlog might feel a little bit like spare parts. So it's Friday, so what that means that at very least we're going to do a stream, but also on this Friday, we're going to record a podcast. That doesn't leave a whole lot of time for vlogging, so I'll do my best. What up, Mini family? Welcome to day number 5, Friday of the vlog. All those nice comments yesterday and also making the video itself really kind of helped to cope with what was going on. And today in the vlog, I'm going to try to emulate what my father taught me when I was young. And that lesson is that the mind can kind of take a hint from what the body is doing. For instance, if you feel sad but you smile anyways, you can begin to start to feel happier. And I've done this multiple times in my life, and it works for all kinds of things. So we're gonna do that today. Today's a good day. It's Friday. It's the last day of the work week. John's coming over to do the podcast and also to do a duo stream later on in today. So it's a good day to be happy. So let's do that. So it's about 8 a.m. John gets here in about an hour, 15 minutes. I got a few things to do before he gets here, like clean up my desk area, put the podcast microphones out, kind of set up for the dual stream, but also I want to clean up yesterday's resin print so I can show him. And we're looking better than we were yesterday, that's for sure. Okay, these are looking good. We got none of that weird drooping sagginess. I resized the holes for the magnets in the base. Let's just see if they fit. All right, well, apparently 0.5 millimeter extra is not enough for this to fit. So we'll just go 33 millimeter for the base and 11 millimeter for the hole as opposed to 32.5 and 10.5. With that cleanup out of the way, now we gotta do a different kind of cleanup. Thank you, Past Scott. Past Scott's always messing with me. Let's see if I can do this. Ooh, ah. There's that son of a bitch. Thank you. Unfortunately, this is how far I got with cleanup. AKA nowhere. All right, John and I have set up for the podcast, and we're going to do that right now. John, any words for the vlog? That sounds about right. We'll see you in about 2 hours. Whoop, ship, we're back. Hey, it's 2 hours later.
It is, but not for you.
Thank you. I don't know why I'm saying thank you to you. Anyways, we're done. It's tendy time. Shut up, Siri. I'm vlogging. We're just getting some Raisin Cane chicken tendies right now. Have a quick little lunch, then we're going to do our little live stream. John, how do you think the podcast went?
I thought it was 7.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
And then Vince said that he had a dream that he was a Tau living on a Tau planet.
Yeah.
And these other aliens were enslaving them.
Yes.
But he got out of prison because he was a really good cook that used miniature paints to season the food.
I'll give it a soft 7. In typical Canes fashion, the line wraps around the building 2 times. Classic. The hall.
You guys need smell-o-vision right now.
Oh, big time, buddy. You know, can I just be honest for a second?
No.
I like fried chicken, but I don't necessarily need to eat it every single week whenever John comes over. But John, what's the case with you?
I need it every single time I come over. No question.
The gang's all here, and I have, I don't know, 15 minutes to eat tendies before the stream starts. Wish me luck. What you got there, Amber?
Some more vampire boxes.
Woo!
We're gonna get more back orders out. Looks good.
Oh, we're live right now. This lens is way too long because the one I want to use is on my stream camera right now. But everyone say hello to the vlog. Dude, look who just fucking subscribed. Next level painting.
Whoa.
The literal best of all streamers. That was a pretty freaking awesome stream. We had Dan MCing, reading the chat and all the subscribe notifications and messages and interacting with them in an awesome way. John was assembling his newly acquired Night Lord's army, and I was finishing up my Legion of Blood Knight unit, and I did finish it. So now I got 2 5-man units of painted Blood Knights, and I couldn't be happier about it. I ended up varnishing my Blood Knights with AK Interactive's Ultra Matte Varnish, and honestly, it probably turned out a little bit too matte for my liking. I like my gaming miniatures to be a little bit more satin, but nothing that another layer of varnish can't just fix real easily in the future. If you want to check out any future streams, you can see them at twitch.tv/Miniac. They happen every single Friday from about 1 p.m. CST to 4 p.m. CST. Half of my day is waiting for dogs to stop barking. Let's do some mail time. That's a thing vlogs do, right? Package number 1 is a package from my caster, Level 52 Studios. And it seems to be, we're kind of looking into using different colored resins that suit the character better. So for a vampire, obviously red. Maybe for future Wood Elves, we would use green. The one problem we're trying to contend with right now, however, is how hard will red be to cover with various primers like whites and light grays. If it's too difficult, then it really isn't worth the novelty of having a colored resin primer. I'll have to test that soon in the future. The next package is from B&H, which is, as far as I'm concerned, the best place to buy camera equipment online that there is. In here I have 2 items from Small Rig, which is a rigging company as the name suggests. I have a base plate, which is essentially what you build on top of when rigging out a camera. You can attach all sorts of things to it. It is the basis for any good camera cage. And also I have something that will eventually go on that rig, which is a lightweight matte box. Now it's a little bit hard to show what the purpose of a matte box is without showing you the problem first. So with a setup like mine, where I have 2 big soft lights and the camera on sticks right in front of them, you'll often get things like blooming and lens flare in the camera. And you can see when I put my hands over the lens to block part of the light, you can see how the image gets much more saturated and darker, especially in the corners of the image. Now there are many ways to fix this. You can shroud off the light with just various types of fabric. You can put a sun hood on your lens, but they don't eliminate the problem entirely. So I'm hoping a matte box with a much bigger cover will be able to do that. That concludes Mail Time with Scott. Woo! The stream just ended. It's about 5 p.m. It's been a whirlwind of a day. Fridays typically can be like that, especially when John comes over to record the podcast and there's a stream, but it's Friday. I'm feeling good. Vlog day number 5 has come to a close. Now all I gotta do is make the video. It was a really fun project making these vlogging videos, and a lot of positive words from you guys made me feel like it was good for you guys too, so I'm really glad to hear that. It's always a special thing to make something that your community enjoys. I'm not saying the vlog is going to be gone forever, but it's back to doing normal Miniac videos now for a long time. Maybe we can do this thing in February every single year when I take a break in January. Thank you guys for the kind words about my uncle yesterday. It really meant a lot to me that you guys said all those nice things. If you guys like the channel and you want to support it, there are many ways to do that. Linked down in the description below, like Patreon or buying the model that I produce, the Duchess, which will be back in stock sometime next week. Subscribe or die, but most importantly, don't forget to pay more minis. Pay more minis!